Welcome to Compare to Win. The best video maker is probably one of the most essential tools for any content creator looking to elevate their video production quality, offering a comprehensive suite of features designed to streamline the editing process and unlock creative potential. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this software provides an intuitive interface coupled with powerful capabilities, allowing you to transform raw footage into polished, engaging videos that captivate your audience. From basic cuts and transitions to advanced color grading and special effects, it empowers you to bring your vision to life with unparalleled ease and efficiency, making it a standout choice in today's competitive digital landscape. Number 5. Canal Toys Studio Creator 2 Video Maker Kit. Unleash your creativity with the Studio Creator 2. This all-in-one kit is designed to help you make amazing videos just like your favorite influencers. It features a multicolored LED ring light with adjustable modes, including white light and 8 vibrant color options. Get professional lighting effects right at home. The adjustable tripod ensures stability for hands-free recording from any point of view. Easily jump into the latest trends and challenges. With the included green screen, you can create truly original content that's ready to go viral. Make your videos FYP worthy. This kit provides everything you need to produce high-quality videos. It's perfect for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube creators. What we like. If you're looking to create engaging TikToks or YouTube shorts, this kit is for you. It comes with a versatile ring light offering multiple colors and a green screen for creative backgrounds. You can easily record hands-free, making it perfect for participating in trends and challenges. What people say. This video maker is incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. The drag-and-drop interface makes editing a breeze, and the wide range of templates and effects allows for professional-looking results. The software offers a robust set of features, including multi-track editing, green screen capabilities, and advanced color correction tools. It's powerful enough for complex projects but still remains intuitive. I was impressed by the performance of this video maker. It handles high-resolution footage smoothly without any lag, and the export times are remarkably fast. It's a reliable tool for content creators. Number 4. GVM Great Video Maker 48 Motorized Slider. Introducing the GVM Great Video Maker Motorized Slider, your ultimate tool for professional video capture. Experience seamless motion and stability for all your creative projects. Easily set start and end points, adjust motor torque, and fine-tune slip speed and interval. This device offers unparalleled control for precise movements. Crafted from high-quality carbon fiber, this 48-inch slider ensures a stable carriage and smooth operation. Multiple screw ports offer versatile mounting options. Achieve stunning time-lapse or panoramic shots with manual or electric modes. Its adjustable feet guarantee stability on any surface. The advanced motor and lightweight design deliver incredibly smooth and quiet sliding. It's the perfect companion for professional videography, ready to use right out of the box. This package includes the motorized slider, shutter release cables, an extension cable, remote, battery, and a portable bag. We also offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. What we like. For filmmakers who need smooth, controlled camera movements, this motorized slider is an excellent choice. Its carbon fiber construction ensures stability, and you can precisely control the speed and interval for dynamic shots. If you need to capture sweeping panoramas or create time-lapse with precision, this is the tool you'll want. What people say. The video editor is very easy to use, with a simple and intuitive interface. It offers a wide range of features, including templates, effects, and transitions, making it easy to create professional-looking videos. The software is stable and does not crash, even when working with large video files. Number 3. GVM 27-inch Motorized Camera Slider. Experience incredibly smooth and stable video with this motorized slider. It's designed for clear photography and supports various shooting modes like time-lapse and auto round trip. This slider offers multiple screw holes for versatile mounting. You can easily use it on the ground, with a tripod, or connect it directly to your camera. It's designed to work with a wide range of photography equipment. This includes DSLR cameras, video cameras, and even your cell phone. Featuring adjustable non-slip feet, it's simple to get the perfect balance. This ensures your shots are always level and professional. Capture stunning shots from vertical, horizontal, or even 45-degree angles. It can even handle steep slopes when mounted on a tripod, ensuring your camera stays secure. What we like. If you're a photographer or videographer working with DSLR cameras and need versatile shooting options, consider this slider. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it offers smooth, stable movement and supports multi-angle shots, including vertical and horizontal. It's ideal for interviews or any scenario requiring steady camera work. What people say. The video editor is very easy to use, even for beginners. It has a wide range of features, including templates, effects, and music. The output quality is excellent, with high-resolution video and clear audio. Number 2. Video that doesn't suck, pro advice. Are you struggling to capture professional-looking videos? This guide is designed to help you elevate your filming skills, even if you're a beginner. Discover the secrets to creating compelling video content that captivates your audience. We'll show you how to transform your raw footage into polished, professional productions. Learn essential techniques that will make your videos stand out. You'll gain the confidence and knowledge to shoot footage that truly impresses. This isn't just about pointing and shooting, it's about understanding the craft. We provide practical advice to ensure your videos look and feel professional. Stop settling for mediocre results. With these expert tips, you'll be able to produce high-quality videos consistently, making you look like a seasoned pro. What we like. This is not a piece of equipment, but a guide to elevate your video creation skills. If you're an amateur looking to make your videos look professional without complex gear, this book offers invaluable advice. It's perfect for anyone who wants to improve their storytelling and technical execution. What people say. The video editor is very easy to use, even for beginners. It has a wide range of features, including templates, effects, and music. The output quality of the videos is excellent. Number 1. Marl Great Studio Creator 2 Video Maker Kit. Unleash your inner influencer with the Studio Creator 2 Video Maker Kit. It's everything you need to create amazing videos and stand out. This kit includes a multicolored ring light, adjustable tripod, and green screen. You can create 100% original content with ease. Record hands-free to easily jump on trends and challenges. Focus on your performance while it handles the recording. Choose from 3 white light modes and 8 color modes. Create the perfect lighting to match your content's mood. A controller is included to easily switch between color modes. Achieve the perfect lighting for your videos without hassle. Pair the green screen with your favorite editing app. Transform your background and make your videos truly unique. Share your content on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Become the next big influencer with your amazing creations. What we like. This kit is designed for aspiring influencers who want to stand out on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. With its multicolor ring light and included green screen, you can achieve professional-looking lighting and backgrounds easily. If you want to create eye-catching content and participate in viral trends with a professional touch, this is your go-to solution. What people say. The Video Maker is incredibly user-friendly, allowing for quick edits and smooth transitions. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to add text, music, and special effects, enhancing the overall video quality. The export options are versatile, supporting various formats and resolutions suitable for different platforms. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.